natural health for beginners.
Are you looking for a natural remedy to promote hair growth and revitalize your scalp? Ginger oil is an incredible, all-natural solution known for its ability to stimulate hair follicles and improve blood circulation. Here's a simple guide on how to make ginger oil at home with exact quantities. Ingredients: fresh ginger root, 100 grams. Packed with gingerol, it helps improve blood flow to the scalp, strengthening hair and reducing hair fall. Carrier oil, 200 milliliters. Options: coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil. Coconut oil is preferred for its deep conditioning properties, but olive or jojoba oil works well for lighter applications. Vitamin E capsules, 2 capsules, helps to enhance the shelf life of your ginger oil while nourishing your scalp. Glass jar or bottle, 1, sterilized. For storing your finished oil. Prepare the ginger. Peel the ginger root and rinse it thoroughly to remove any dirt. Pat it dry with a clean towel. Grate the ginger finely to extract more of its beneficial juices. Mix the ingredients. In a small saucepan or pot, combine the grated ginger and your chosen carrier oil. Stir well to ensure the ginger is fully submerged. Heat the mixture. Heat the saucepan on low for 30 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent the ginger from sticking or burning. Do not let the oil reach a high temperature to avoid losing the ginger's nutrients. Strain the oil. Allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain out the ginger pulp, ensuring only the infused oil remains. Add vitamin E. Pierce the vitamin E capsules and squeeze the liquid into the strained ginger oil. Stir gently to combine. Store the oil. Transfer the ginger oil into a sterilized glass jar or bottle. Seal it tightly and store in a cool, dark place. Application tips. Scalp massage. Take a small amount of ginger oil and massage it onto your scalp in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. This stimulates blood circulation, promoting healthier hair growth. Leave-in treatment. Leave the oil on for at least 2 hours or overnight for best results. Cover your head with a shower cap to prevent staining. Rinse off. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo and conditioner to remove the oil residue. Use 2 to 3 times a week for noticeable results in hair strength, thickness, and reduced hair fall. Benefits of ginger oil for hair growth. Stimulates dormant hair follicles and reduces hair thinning. Improves blood flow to the scalp, promoting healthy hair. Fights dandruff and soothes itchy scalp due to its antimicrobial properties. Strengthens hair roots and prevents breakage. Make this powerful ginger oil at home to nurture your hair naturally. Your journey to luscious, healthy locks starts with this simple DIY recipe. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.